Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can easily change the profile picture of Facebook without noticing by anyone. Like no one will be notified that you have changed your profile. So to do this, you have to first of all open a Facebook app. After you open the Facebook app, you have to click on the top right three menu line button. Then here you will see the first option of profile. You have to click on your profile. After click on your profile, here you will see the curvy profile picture area. You have to click on it. Here you will see an option called slide profile picture. You have to click on first option. Here you have to select the profile picture that you want to use. Like I am selecting one of them. Then you have to make sure that you uncheck the last option, share your update to newsfeed. After you uncheck this option, no one will be notified that you have updated your profile. Then you have to click on save. You, you can see that profile is updated and no notified any post is created that you have updated your profile. Like this you can update your profile. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching this video.